Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup your files using Box for creative teams, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Box website at box.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial to get started. Once you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the Box interface. You'll see your main dashboard, which displays all your folders and files. To create a backup, you first need to select the folder you want to backup. Click on the specific folder to open it. Inside the folder, click on the Upload button located at the top of the page. Choose the files you want to upload from your computer. You can select multiple files by holding down the Control or Command key. Wait for the files to finish uploading before proceeding. Once uploaded, your files will be securely stored in the Box Cloud. To create a backup of additional folders or files, repeat the upload process as needed. If you want to organize your files further, consider creating subfolders. Click on the New button and select Folder to create a new subfolder. Name the subfolder and click Create. Now, you can drag and drop files into their respective subfolders. For ease of access, you can also share files or folders with your team. Right-click the file or folder and select Share. Enter the email addresses choose whether you want them to view or edit the files. Once you've set the permissions, click Send. Now your team members will be notified and can access the shared files. To access your backup from anywhere, simply log into your Box account from any device. Remember to regularly update your backup by adding new or modified files. You can also enable automatic backup features through Box apps for added convenience. Explore the settings to customize your backup preferences based on your team's needs. By following these steps, you can ensure your creative files are securely backed up using Box. This will help you manage your projects effectively and keep your work safe. Feel free to reach out to Box support for any specific issues or questions. Now you are ready to back up your files like a pro with Box. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.